How to take a screenshot in Snapchat without the other person knowing. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot in Snapchat without the other person knowing. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So you probably already know, if you try and take a screenshot in a Snapchat, as you can see at the bottom there, it will send a notification to say that you took a screenshot of that chat. And so you can see it and the other person on the chat can actually see that as well. But if you want to take a screenshot without that person knowing that you've actually taken that screenshot, what I would recommend is that you download an app such as the one that I'm using to record this video now, and that's called X Recorder. I'll just open up the app. And here, so this is an app that allows you to record your screen. And so if you do this while viewing the Snapchat chat, it won't actually send a notification to the other person on the Snapchat. So download it, give it a go, and that's all it takes to take a screenshot in Snapchat without them knowing. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.